Okay, so let's do it for numbers 1 to 3 ya. 1, 2, 3, okay? Are you ready, everyone? Yeah, be focused, yeah, pay attention. So keep your eyes on the options and your ears on the audio. Okay?
TOEFL exercise 6.
Sorry.
In this exercise, listen carefully to the short
TOEFL review. Okay, this one.
TOEFL review exercise, skills 1 through 6. In this exercise, listen carefully to the short conversation and question on the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. Number 1.
The apple pie sure looks good.
Let's have some of it. What does the man suggest? Number 2. How much time is left on the test?
You have about 30 minutes.
What does the woman mean? Number 3. I think we should pay the bills tonight.
So do I.
What does the woman mean?
Okay, you can drop your answer, guys. CBA. Okay. Sama-sama, Mr. Mangapul. CBA, okay. CBA, oke. Semuanya nih ya, semuanya satu suara nih jawab CBA. Gak ada yang jawaban lain ya. Oke, let's check. For number 1, the apple pie sure looks good. And then the second speaker said, let's have some of it. Let's have some of it. Artinya, what does the man suggest? Nah, ini yang suggestion ya. Skill 3 kayaknya. Let's have some of it, artinya ya, having some dessert. Nah, jadi di sini let's have some of it, ayo kita makan gitu maksudnya ya. Karena tadi si first speakernya bilang the apple pie sure looks good gitu. Apple pie-nya kelihatannya enak. Let's have some of it, ayo kita makan, berarti having some dessert. Ya, kata apple pie-nya diubah jadi dessert. Makanan penutup, right? Oke, number 2. How much time is left on the test? You have about 30 minutes, kata si second speaker. Berarti, yes, the answer is B, about a half hour remains. Ya. Jadi kata 30 minutes diubah menjadi kata a half hour. Ya. Gitu. Okay, so number 3 now. Number 3, I think we should pay the bills tonight. So do I. Kata si second speaker. So do I. Half an hour. Yeah, half an hour. Half an hour. A half hour. Half an hour. Setengah jam. Half an hour, ya setengah jam, sama ya half an hour. Kalau 1,5 jam, an hour and a half gitu. An hour and a half. Oke, jadi kalau number 3 tadi, nah ini yang baru kita pelajari hari ini ya, skill 6 ya, about expressions of agreement. Jadi tadi kata si second speakernya, so do I. So do I itu adalah expressions of agreement. So ya, The answer is A. She agrees with the man. Okay, number 3 is A. Oke, kita lanjut ke number 4, 5, and 6 ya. Nah, number 4 nih. Masih ingat kan ini skill berapa kemarin? Skill 5. Ya kan, kalau pilihannya berupa occupation seperti ini udah pasti ditebak, udah bisa ditebak pertanyaannya adalah who is the second speaker, right? Oke. 4, 5, and 6. Iya, where and who. Yang skill 5 kemarin ya. Oke, yuk. 4, 5, and 6.
What does the woman mean?
Sure Azil. Ada, iya itu triknya.
Number 4.
Are you going to plant the new rose bushes today?
Yes, after I weed the tomato plants and cut the bushes around the yard.
Who is the man most likely to be? Number 5.
Did Carla pass the statistics exam?
Not exactly.
What does the man say about Carla? Number 6.
What can I get for you?
A sandwich and fries to go, please.
Where does this conversation probably take place?
Oke. Drop your answer, guys. Langsung 3 ya. For number 4, 5, and 6.
Number 7.
Doesn't the
DAA, oke. Fahmi ikut-ikut, Miss. Iya, boleh ikut-ikut. DAA, oke. Oke, DBA, Ansel. DBA, oke. Ada yang DBA, ada yang DAA ya. DBA, Mr. Malau. Okay. Number 4, 5, 6. DBA, NBA. Okay, number 4. Are you going to plant the new rose bushes today? And then the man said, yes, after I weed the tomato plants and cut the bushes around the yard. So, yeah. Who is the man most likely to be? Tadi ada clue-nya adalah tomato, yard. Oke. Kalau kayak florist, mungkin tadi yang kalau yang dengar kata-kata rose, mungkin bakal pilih A ya, ke florist gitu. Tapi kan dia bilang dia mau cut the bushes around the yard gitu. And then with the tomato plants. Berarti the second speaker is most likely a gardener, right? So number 4 is D ya. Jadi kayak pertanyaan number 4 ini kita bisa langsung tebak bahwa pertanyaannya adalah who is the second speaker ya. Jadi kalau ngelihat optionnya kayak gini nih, oh langsung siap-siap membayangkan gitu. Dari percakapan mereka kira-kira si second speaker itu siapa. Okay, so the second speaker is a gardener gitu ya. Nah ya, and again dia tidak akan menyebutkan dirinya siapa gitu ya. Dia tidak akan bilang I'm a gardener gitu, nggak akan. Jadi kita yang harus take conclusion gitu from the conversation. Kira-kira si second speaker itu siapa gitu. And then number 5. Number 5, did Carla pass the statistics exam. Terus si man-nya bilang not exactly. Not exactly. Berarti dia tidak pass the exam, tidak lulus. Ya. Iya, betul. Ya, jadi dia nggak lulus. Artinya she failed the test. Ya, the answer is A. Oke, lanjut number 6. Nah, number 6 ini juga bisa ditebak ya pertanyaannya. Jadi sebenarnya semua pertanyaan di part A itu bisa ditebak sih. Nah, kalau yang ini specifically pasti menanyakan tempat di mana kira-kira mereka berada gitu ya, like where is the conversation, where does the conversation take place gitu. Kira-kira percakapan itu terjadi di mana. Gitu. Dan mereka tidak akan menyebutkan mereka ada di mana ya, jadi dari percakapannya kita bisa menebak mereka ada di mana gitu. Oke, jadi for number 6 tadi si first speakernya bilang what can I get for you, what can I get for you, terus si second speakernya jawab a sandwich and fries to go please ya. Jadi first speakernya nanya kan, kamu mau apa, what can I get for you, a sandwich dan fries. Oke. So, where does this conversation probably take place? Of course, it takes place in a fast food restaurant. Ya, the answer is A. Ya, karena ada kata sandwich, fries, gitu. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ke number 7. 7 and 8 ya. 7 and 8 dulu lah, dua nomor ya. Nah, oke. 7 and 8.
Number 7.
Doesn't the lake look beautiful from here?
Let's go down for a swim.
What does the man suggest? Number 8.
Do you think Peter answered your questions honestly?
I'm sure he expressed his true feelings.
What does the woman say about Peter?
Oke. Okay, you can drop your answer guys for number 7 and 8. BD, okay. Sunflower BD. Yang lain? AB, Mr. Malo. BD, newspaper. AD or BD, okay, ragu ya. Wing, Iqbal BD. Azhil BD. Okay, BD. And 2 AD, okay, BD juga. Sinuro BD, alright. Nomor 7 ya, yang beda-beda ya. Ada yang jawab A, ada yang jawab B. Kalau nomor 8 semuanya D. Oke. Oke, number 7. Let's see. Number 7, please listen carefully ya. Ini memang kalau kita nggak fokus yang number 7 ini bakal terkecoh sih. Ini pengecohnya lumayan nih, number 7. Number 7, doesn't the lake look beautiful from here? Terus kata si second speaker, let's go down for a swim. Let's go down for a swim. Ada kata lake, ada kata go down. Langsung pilih yang A kan, mostly. Tadi ada beberapa kan yang pilih A kan. Ya, jadi the answer is actually D. Kok D? B, sorry. Ya, B, swimming in the lake. Ya, yang B jawabannya. Let's go down for a swim. Ayo kita turun. Turun maksudnya turun ke lake-nya, ke danaunya, ya. Go down to the lake for a swim, untuk berenang. Ya, so the answer is B. Going down enggak, maksudnya tuh pergi ke lake-nya gitu. Kalau yang A, going down to the bottom of the lake. Oh iya, yang A. Iya, kalau going down to the bottom of the lake, iya nyelam ke dasarnya kan, ke dasar danaunya. Jadi ini kan enggak, dia bilang let's go down for a swim. Go down itu maksudnya pergi, ya mungkin lake-nya itu di daerah bawah gitu. Mereka di bagian atas ya, go down. Kita ke bawah buat ke lake-nya gitu, mengarah ke lake-nya buat berenang gitu. Kalau yang A ya, going down to the bottom of the lake. Ya, pergi ke dasarnya, ke bottom, to the bottom of the lake. Kalau yang dimaksud sama si second speaker tadi, enggak let's go down for a swim. Ayo kita ke bawah, turun gitu. Ayo kita turun untuk ke danaunya. Gitu. Mungkin tempat mereka berada itu di bagian agak tinggi gitu. Enggak di atas, mereka mau ke bawah ke danaunya gitu ya. Oke, so number 8. Number 8. Do you think Peter answered your questions honestly? Terus kata si second speaker, I'm sure he expressed, thank you Azhil, I'm sure he expressed his true feelings. Ya, semuanya tadi udah jawab D. Yes, that's right, the answer is D. He said what he really felt. Ya, karena dia bilang, I'm sure he expressed his true feeling. Ya, the answer is D. Alright. Kita 2 nomor lagi ya, and then I think that's gonna be all for tonight. Okay, 2 more number guys, number 9 and 10.
Number 9.
A cold drink would taste good now.
Sorry. Okay, number 9.
Number 9.
A cold drink would taste good now.
I'll say,
What does the man mean? Number 10.
Do you think the lawn should be watered?
it hasn't been watered in weeks.
What does the man imply?
Okay.
This is the end of CD1.
A, B. Oke, A, B. So far, A, B semuanya. Langsung 2 nomor ya, Ice Princess. Number 9 and number 10. Kalau A doang gitu, I don't know which number you are answering anyway. Jadi langsung 2 nomor, A, B gitu. Atau B, C gitu. Thank you Iqbal, udah malam-malam makan gorengan, minum kopi, ya kan. Thank you Azhil for the cat. Okay, sure Iqbal. Thank you for joining. And yeah, have a good night. Thank you Iqbal. Thank you Sunflower. Thank you Finn for the ice cream. Oke, yuk kita bahas 2 soal lagi ya. Jadi yang number 9 itu, a cold drink would taste good now. I'll say is an expression of agreement. So the answer is A ya. He would like a cold drink too. Yes, yeah, number 9 put A. Alright. He would like a cold drink too. Oke, terus number 10. Do you think the lawn should be watered? Lawn itu ini ya. Tadi dia bilang lawn. Nah, lawn. Do you think the lawn should be watered? Lawn itu apa ya? Halaman yang berumput gitu loh, halaman yang berumput. Jadi dia bilang, apakah lawnnya udah bisa disiram gitu? Should be watered, harus disiram. And then the second speaker said, it hasn't been watered in weeks. It hasn't been watered. Ya, sudah tidak disiram selama berminggu-minggu. Artinya the grass is quite dry. Jadi kata lawn diubah menjadi kata grass, ya kan? Kemudian hasn't been watered for weeks, tidak disiram berminggu-minggu, itu sama dengan dia udah kering, ya, is quite dry. Okay, so the answer is B for number 10. Okay, so out of 20 questions, guys, how many questions that you can answer correctly? Is it still raining at your location? I can hear the sound of rain from here. Yes, Axel. Oh, kedengarannya dari sana ya? Yeah, it's still raining, guys. Mulai dari sore tadi sih, so that's why it's a bit cold right now here. And I'm happy anyway. I'm happy when it is raining. I don't know why, like, when it is raining, I feel safe. Like, rain embraces me. So I feel safe whenever it is raining. I feel like there will be nothing bad happen to me when it is raining. I don't know why. It's good to sleep. Yes, Ashil, exactly. Like I will just take my blanket and then put on my pajamas and enjoy the night with the pouring rain, right? Miss, maaf ini pakai aplikasi apa ya? Aplikasi apa? Ini bukan aplikasi yuk belajar. Ini buku Longman, buku PDF Longman Introductory Course for the TOEFL test. Jadi nggak pakai ini. Peaceful Vibes, yes, definitely newspaper. Ya, oke, mana nih? Kok belum ada yang share? Udah betul berapa, guys? Out of 20 questions that we have discussed tonight, how many questions that you can answer correctly? I am wondering. Please share. Miss, how to join your fans club? Oh, okay. So first of all, oh ini iPad ya, Miss? Oh iya, iPad, betul. Iya, ini iPad bisa pakai stylus, yes benar. Ini bukan iPad sih, kalau iPad itu Apple punya ya. Bukan, ini tab lah ya, tab. Soalnya ini bukan Apple, ini Huawei. 10 out of 10. Oh, newspaper gabungnya tadi waktu udah di TOEFL exercise ya. TOEFL review ya. TOEFL review yang skills 1 to 6. Wow, great job newspaper. Thank you, Miss, for the lesson. See you tomorrow. See you, Axel. Thank you for joining. Ya, Miss, aku telah join. Oke, nggak apa-apa, newspaper. Better late than never, right? Miss, what time do you live in a day? Apa ya, it's really not fixed, Yuna. Sometimes, if I have free time in the morning, then I'll prefer to do it in the morning instead. Kalau live-nya malam gini, pasti karena tadi pagi nggak live gitu. Or sometimes, I will not do my live at all, like both in the morning and in the evening, if I am pretty busy and if I have full classes to teach at that time. Nah ya, Ismet udah join fans club ya. Ya, jadi again before I end live, guys. Jadi yang mau audio filenya, I will send you all of the audio file of this Longman Introductory Course book if you want to review and then if you want to learn again at home by yourself. And I will also share you the file of the PDF book of Longman Introductory Course book. Yeah, but I will only share it for those who have joined my fans club. Ya, Miss akan share hanya untuk yang udah join fans club. So if you have joined my fans club, please send me a DM. Kalian tinggal send DM aja, and then I will just share the file to you. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be like the benefits of joining my fans club. Ya. Jadi siapa yang mau file audionya, audio buku Longman Introductory sama file bukunya, you have to join my fans club first ya. Join fans clubnya, kemudian kalian send DM. Ya, and then I will just send you the Google Drive link. Oke, Miss. Oke, Azhil. Makasih yang udah tap-tap layar hari ini. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for your participation. Thank you, Azhil. What time is the live tomorrow, Miss? Nah, untuk besok itu, I'm not sure. Saya belum bisa pastiin, ya. But most probably, I will do it tomorrow in the morning. Ya, most probably in the morning. Thank you, miss you. Oke, newspaper. Bye-bye. Thank you ya semuanya. See you guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for joining my fans club. Thanks a lot for your support. Thanks a lot for the likes. Thanks a lot for the gift, for your participation. I'm so happy to have you all on my live stream. Reading TOEFL kapan-kapan ya, Miss ya, kapan-kapan lah, kapan-kapannya kapan-kapan banget sampai mungkin nggak bakalan dipelajari. Aduh, males banget guys reading itu. Kalian bisa lah belajar sendiri ya kalau reading ya. Fatun, thank you Fatun for the heart nih. Ya, yang udah join fans club send DM and then I will share you the file. Ya, pokoknya reading kapan-kapan entah kapan lah itu, entah setahun lagi, 2 tahun lagi, nggak tahu. Ya kalau reading kalian bisa sendiri lah ya. Bye Miss, thanks a bunch. Oke, ingin belajar, makasih ya udah join ya. Bye guys, I think that's all for tonight guys. I think I'm gonna see you again tomorrow, probably in the morning. Yeah, see you tomorrow Miss, bye. Okay, bye guys, bye.